Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome back to Backspace. In this creative Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to fade one side of a picture in a Word for stylish document design, banners, thumbnails, presentations, posters, and professional graphics. This effect creates a smooth, transparent fade on one side of an image, making your designs look modern and visually appealing. So let's get started. Now I want to open a document here, a assignment document. Now I make a picture, one side fade. Go to the insert menu, click the picture option. Now I am select the picture which I fade one side, then resize it. Go to the format menu, click wrap text, drop down menu, choose in front of text. Now I am move it, then go to the insert menu again, click the shape option and choose the rectangle shape, then draw the rectangle, press and hold shift on our keyboard. Go to the format menu, click shape outline, make no outline, then click shape fill and make the picture fill on the shape. Click the same image, then make the picture on the front of. You can align this, press and hold shift on our keyboard. Go to the alignment option, choose center and choose middle. Now I am go to the top image, click the more option, go to the shape option and click the gradient fill and make one side white and one side transparent. Now make the another side transparent and make the another side white, and you can increase and decrease this. Now I am press and hold again them and go to the format menu again, click the align drop down menu, choose center and choose middle, then group it multiple shape. Now we can see we make the picture fade one side edge very easily. I hope you understand this easy method. Please subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.